This hearty and delicious roasted zuccuri and kale salad with chickpeas and tahini yogurt is inspired by the flavors of North Africa. Zuccuri is a type of kabocha squash that is similar to chestnut in sweetness and has a cake-like texture. It pairs well with the warming spices of this dish. We'll start by preparing the different parts of this dish. To make the tahini yogurt sauce, combine the tahini, yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, cumin, and water in a food processor. Process it until it has a smooth consistency. Then slowly pour in the extra virgin olive oil to emulsify. Season to taste with salt and pepper and set aside. Next, we'll make the harissa vinaigrette. Mix together harissa, lemon juice, and extra virgin olive oil. Season with salt and pepper and set this aside too. Now for the zuccuri. Toss the cubed zuccuri with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast the zuccuri on a baking sheet in a 400-degree oven until golden brown and tender, approximately 20 minutes. Toss the warm zuccuri with harissa vinaigrette and set this aside. Here I have a bowl of kale that's been massaged to give it tenderness. Add the chickpeas, red onions, cherry tomatoes, and toss with a spoonful of harissa vinaigrette. Gently combine the zuccuri and adjust the seasoning to taste. To serve, smear the tahini yogurt on a platter and place the zuccuri and kale salad on top. You'll love this hearty and healthy dish.